Hello everybody. Today I'm reviewing Thin Slim Foods Cloud Cakes, Caramel Cookie, and Chocolate Chip Cookie. So right off the bat, it says you have to put these in the freezer until you're ready to eat them. So you have to freeze them and then thaw them out before you can eat them, which to me is a lot of trouble to go through just to eat a cookie or a muffin. So that should mean these taste absolutely fabulous and are made with ingredients that make these taste absolutely fabulous compared to all the other keto treats. Because I wouldn't even go through that trouble for a regular cookie. So I'm going to start with the chocolate chip cookie. It is 2 net carbs, by the way, and 45 calories. Here's what it looks like. It feels soft like a cake. Okay, that was absolutely atrocious. It tasted like a banana smoothie that someone tried to turn into a cake made out of pudding. It had absolutely no resemblance or taste of chocolate chip at all whatsoever. It was horrible. I didn't chew it long enough to keep tasting that really weird taste, which tastes like the worst artificial sweetener taste ever. And of course, I can't tell if the xylitol or erythritol is giving it that cold sensation, that cooling sensation that you get when you use it at home. Let me look at the ingredients real quick. Okay. Water, erythritol, oat fiber, inulin, egg whites, modified cornstarch, almond meal, olive oil, xanthan gum, guar gum, leavening, monocalcium phosphate, baking soda, natural flavors, chocolate chips, unsweetened chocolate, erythritol, again for the second time, inulin for the second time, cocoa butter, natural flavors, contains almonds and eggs, baked in a dedicated gluten-free facility that uses peanuts, tree nuts, and dairy. Okay. So yeah, you can't tell the cold cooling sensation because you have to put these in the freezer. So you don't know if it's the freezer that's making them taste that way or that. But that is not the problem at all. I mean, this tastes like pudding full of artificial sweetener with banana flavor in it. I hate it. So I do not recommend it at all. It's atrocious. It's worse than the Quest cookies. It's almost as bad as the Quest bars. So I'll go ahead and try the caramel cookie next. And it pretty much has the same ingredients as the chocolate chip cookie. And it's soft like a cake. No. That is so unpleasant. Okay, you know how when you make your own homemade keto bread, it tastes like eggs? Pretty much it just tastes like you made it a really airy omelet with a few other ingredients in it. Okay, that's kind of how these taste, but worse. When you add in the xanthan gum, the xylitol, and erythritol, I don't think xylitol's in it, it's just erythritol. But all the other weird stuff they put in it, it's not good at all. It tastes like, I can't even describe what this tastes like. A chewy, eggy, gross blob. I don't recommend it. I won't eat another bite of it. It's horrible. It's like, it's not a treat. It's a punishment. Alright. Last one. Cloud cakes. Cinnamon crumb flavor. Okay. The ingredients are pretty much exactly the same. And it feels exactly the same. It just looks a little different. That kind of tastes like cinnamon toast bread pudding, but the keto version, which is really disgusting. I personally don't believe that if you're on keto that means you have to settle for things that taste like crap. There's no reason for that. These food companies can make really good tasting snacks for everybody that taste just like the real thing without all the bad ingredients they use to make the real thing. So I find all of these unacceptable. I don't recommend them to anyone. Save your money unless you just want to find out for yourself how bad it is. So I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Have a good day.